So it's all about putting the entire career landscape in our own social media called Meme, where you will see the different job families and the jobs and the different career levels. And you know about CDS which is there. It gives you the job descriptions as well, so you can chart your career path looking at that.
Oh, so you mean to say that I can choose something that is outside the current service line and the skill set that I have?
Absolutely. So you have different jobs, families and jobs, and you can choose, you can go vertical, you can go horizontal, you can go skill-wise, you can go even your proficiency levels.
Wow, that's very good, but I am extremely confused. So what I will do, I will go to my friends in Facebook and LinkedIn and I will ask them for suggestions on what is the best career path for me at this point in time.
Yeah, why, Shelley? Our Meme is fully integrated and it has around 22,000 career participants from the entire HCL. So there are people, subject matter experts, domain experts, your own peers, who will be able to give you value-added information in this segment.
So, you are saying that I can access internal expert forums and I can get references, recommendation, likes.
Absolutely, all this is possible, and you have a says JD CDP templates, standard templates. You have job-based curriculums which you can use for your career growth.
Oh, that is excellent. So, what else HCL does to help me traverse my career journey?
So you have a pool of counselors you can choose from, and you have job-based curriculums. You have a pool of counselors whom you can choose from. And then your aspiration is also tagged in the deployment portal. If you complete it successfully, you get deployed.
So the job-based curriculums and the certifications that HCL offers and recommends is visible to me if I choose the aspiration?
Absolutely, it is all visible, and even the demand is visible once you complete the career developmental plan. How is the demand visible? It's also visible to you, and it's visible to others.
Okay. So if I put in all the effort and achieve my career development action plan, what benefits do I stand to get in HCL?
So you are going to get deployed into your preferred role.
Oh, so I will get some preferences in internal job opportunities?
Absolutely. It will be tagged into the deployment portal and you get preferred.
That's very good. So today itself I will go and log in and choose my aspiration.
Absolutely. It's in the key of careers in you with you.
Thank you.